This is Phyllis from Haasbot Software, and I'm going to show you guys one of our new features in Haasbot 2.3, which is the order book view. A lot of people have been asking us, how can Haasbot help you when you're manually trading? Because Haasbot is a tool that is used, you can use it as a bot, you can use it to execute manual trades, but it's basically an all-in-one tool that's, that traders will basically want to use. So this is one very useful tool, especially for traders who have a multiple monitor setup. But yeah, I'll basically go ahead and explain it, and you can see it in action. So we'll go ahead and click on Order Book View, and basically what this does is it shows you the order book of as many exchanges that you are connected to with Haasbot at once. So we'll go ahead and we'll choose, like, say, Bitstamp. We'll look at the USD. We'll look at OKCoin China. We can look at OKCoin.com. We can click Add an Order Book. We can look at futures. Let's look at the weekly. And let's do one more. Let's look at quarterly. So yeah, and basically the order books will basically start to populate. Right now, OKCoin.cn's order book is not really showing up because it has to go through the Great Firewall. But we're currently working on building a proxy server to kind of stabilize that. But for now, we can just do, BTC China. So basically, yeah, and then you have the order book information there. And basically, you'll get the last price once there's a trade, as you can see. And one really neat thing about this is that you have both the Trade Now ability and the Positions tab. So say the Trade Now, this basically, you can move this around, and it allows you to manually execute a trade on any exchange that you're connected to. These are the exchanges that I'm connected to at the moment. And this also applies to the futures market. So say I'm on OKCoin futures, let's look at like weekly. And we can take a look at this and be like, okay, cool. So say like right now I'm watching this and I'm like, okay, I want to open a short. We'll choose 20x. We can even do a market order. We can just do a market order for 2 contracts. Click go. Say yes, and it'll go ahead and place the order for us. And now we should be short. And this is useful. So you have the Trade Now, and that's how you can execute a trade manually. But then you also have the Positions tab. And here we go. We can move this around as well. Let's put it down here. And so here we can see our open position of 2 contracts short. We can see our profit is right now it's minus 0.08%. And this will adjust as it goes. You can write the amount, you can actually close it from here if you want, or you can close it from the Trade Now ability. So I mean, this is actually a very useful feature for people who trade manually. You can pop this up on one of your screens, you just watch it, in case you see something in the order book that makes you want to execute a trade. And then we can actually watch here. We can see what's going on. And if I want to close it, I can. Let's do 267.3 would close it. Oh, whoops. There we go. Should be placed. And our position is now closed. So yeah, that's essentially it. You can basically, our only requirements are that the exchange that you're connected to has a WebSocket API, because this is where we get the data from. So if they don't, like BTCE, which has a very old REST-based API, you're not going to be able to see the order book on BTCE. So this is also a good reason why exchanges should be using the WebSockets API. But yeah, so it's quite useful, especially if you're trading futures. You can basically have full control over what you're doing, directly from just one of these pages. So that is the new order book view feature. And if you have any questions, you can reach us on our forums or send us an email. But yeah, good luck and happy trading.